Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss how to add a credit note or a debit note from customer invoices in Odoo 14. To do so, we can go to accounting menu and look for invoices. In this demonstration, I'll focus on invoices which are already been posted. So let's open an invoice which has already been created and posted here. Now in order to create a credit note, we have an option to create add credit note just above the invoice. After it goes into posted state, we can click on this button. The system asks us what is the specific credit method. It's a partial refund. Do you want the reversal to be a specific date? If not, you can put a journal entry date. If you want to use a specific journal, you can use it. Otherwise, the system's tendency is to pick the default. You can put up a reason. I can click on reverse. So the system generates a credit note, which is a reverse entry of the invoice. As you can see, the details, all information has been captured. We can modify the amount. Please note that it automatically copies everything. You simply need to make the changes here. I confirm, and the credit entry has been created. If I go back to my original invoice, I will be able to see that a credit note has been generated against it. In fact, any outstanding credit would be displayed here. We'll look and forward to see how a debit note can be created. The same procedure, you have a button. You can put down some reason. You can copy the lines, create a debit note. Again, a debit note has been created. Debit note is going to act as a customer invoice. So technically, credit note makes a lot of sense. Debit note is actually not required. If we look at the original invoice, we will only have one credit note. The same feature is available in vendor bills. You can add a debit note. Again, a copy lines option, and you have a credit note. Which again is visible as outstanding credit or debit depending on the record. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes,